Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to draw Toei Sonic step by step. We'll begin by laying down the foundational shapes. First, draw a large oval for Sonic's head and a slightly smaller, more elongated oval for his body. Next, connect these two shapes with a gentle, curved line to establish his spine and overall posture. Finally, lightly sketch some cross-hatching guidelines on the head to help place his eyes, snout, and mouth accurately. This initial framework is crucial for getting the proportions right. Now, let's bring Sonic's face to life. Carefully define his large, expressive eyes, making sure they have that classic Toei style. Then, shape his prominent snout, adding his small, triangular nose. Don't forget his signature wide, confident smile. For his limbs, use simple cylindrical or oval shapes to block out his arms and legs, paying attention to their dynamic poses. Remember, these are just guides, so keep your lines light and easy to erase. Moving on to Sonic's iconic details. Carefully draw his three large, flowing spikes that originate from his back, giving them a dynamic, windswept look. Next, add his classic white gloves, ensuring the cuffs are clearly defined. Then, sketch his large, red shoes, complete with the white strap and buckle detail. As you add these elements, start refining the overall outline of your drawing, gently erasing any initial guidelines that are no longer needed. You're doing great! For the final touches, carefully ink your drawing using a fine-tip pen, making sure your lines are clean and sharp. Once the ink is dry, erase any remaining pencil marks. Then, bring Sonic to life with color. Use his classic vibrant blue for his body, red for his shoes, and a warm peach for his muzzle and inner ears. And hey, if you're looking for ways to level up your financial game, check the description for a link to a fantastic book that can truly change how you think about money, plus other great deals. Keep practicing, and your Toei Sonic will look amazing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.